So let us continue our journey of Magic Studio with Magic Design for presentations. Yes, you can use Magic Designs to create beautiful presentations, and we will in a few minutes see how you can do that. And for that, you need to jump onto my computer screen and let's get started. That's Magic Design for presentations, and I want to try it now. So try what it does. Get a head start on your slides and let Magic Presentation create a professional presentation tailored to your content in no time. Start by describing your presentation in a few words. Watch as Magic Design lays out the perfect slides based on what you told it. Write a blog, pair with Magic Write to fill in your story. Yes, let's try the Magic Design for presentations. Here it is. Now, on the left, if you will notice that you have a place where you can use 5+ words to describe what the presentation is going to be about. And it also explains it here very well. Click the search bar on the left bar, write a pitch for meeting free lunches at work and press enter. Click on the first presentation under Magic Design and apply all pages. Ta-da! Love your presentation, share your design on social media with Canva Love. So write a pitch. Let's write what Canva asks. Pitch for meeting free lunches at work. Pitch for meeting free lunches at work and press enter. Now here, these are some of the templates from Canva that we had before, and on the top you will see Magic Design. So the ones created by Canva. So this is a 7-page template. This is another 7-page template. This is yet another. Let us click on see all. So these are the 4 options that Magic Design gives us for the presentation. Any one that looks good for us to go ahead with. Let's try out this one. These are the 7 pages. I would apply all pages and see for myself. Free your lunch breaks with meeting free lunches. Meetings are draining enough. Let's not add whatever. So why meeting free lunches, benefits of meeting free lunches, and so on. Here, these are all of these texts are editable. You can very well change all of those texts, the images, whatever you want, and sync it with your content, add new pages and so on. But if you think that they are not good enough, you can always add more or do more or ask Canva to do more about it. So now you can choose some media files. If you have some images or some content that you want to use of your own in the presentation, you can always choose some images. And over here, if you see carefully, when you click on any text, you have the option called Magic Write. So you can rewrite these texts using Magic Write feature of Canva, which we will talk about in detail in the coming sessions. But yeah, this was about creating presentations, and here we are done with creating presentations. Let us try something else. Company profile for a startup into helping users, helping small businesses with designs. Okay, a company profile for a startup helping small businesses with designs. A presentation on this, and here we have, still in the learning phase. I won't say that this is going to be the best presentation that we could expect, but yeah, let's see what Canva gives us. Let's try out this one, apply all pages. And here we are, your design partner helping small businesses with creative solutions. Our mission and vision, our services, what sets us apart, our portfolio, client testimonials. Not very good, not up to the mark, not too usable. I think it would be better that we use any of these templates and customize our content. We have a lot better presentations over here, and you can simply use any of these. They will be a lot more professional and a lot more usable and a lot more better. Okay, so that was Magic Designs with presentations. Next is Magic Design with video. So be here with me.